Wow, crows and pigeons, oh my god, don't have a shit. Never seen it like that before. Suppose if they found some food, that's where they're gonna go. "5 degrees, we've lost a degree already. And the clouds looking like it's over the top. It's also looking grey, like it's a bit rainy. Better not rain. I suppose that's the worst thing about the call, not so much your heated gear not being warm enough or not having it. It's the fact that you can't really heat your helmet other than what comes up your head, and your breath creates moisture, so there's always going to be a build-up on the visor. So that's my issue at the moment. 3 degrees! We've got an ice warning on the dashboard thing. I've never seen that before. Wow! What's it going to be when we're at the top? Fingers are not too bad. The sort of arse cheek when you sit down, so it's sort of like the bit of your backside that sticks past the seat, that area, the side of my leg, that's kind of chilly. Get a weird draft coming off it from there. Feel a really cold wind coming through the helmet now, through the vent. Maybe if I shut it. Still at 3 degrees. Oh, look at the clouds. Bollocks. Hoping it'd be nice and clear sky. What if that's that temporary burger van that's there? always cold up here, always a side wind. Two degrees, well I reckon 3 when I was at home. So, oh dear, somebody has had a little bit of an off. I don't think, because it's that cold, unless I can use my visor wipe actually clean that condensation off, I don't think I'll stop. Oh, here's a temporary one.
I'm so high, so high.
Oh, look at wow. One bike, you hero. Well, do you think it'd be disrespectful to drive over it? Ah, that's chilly that. So, I'm still recording as well. Once he's out the way, no, and that car's out the way, they're just talking to each other. Aye. This is the view. Be a bit of a bastard reversing out of here, mine, but welcome to Hartside Summit at 1 degree. That's magnificent. 1 degree, everyone's leaving. Oh, right, knock that off.
Oh, now I'm in Wonderland.
Don't know how long the battery's got left in it, but we'll soon get the grips back on. Right, let's get out the way because I'm coming. Cross climate. Oh. Let's hope there's nothing sharp in amongst this lot. I'm currently driving over, in a very bouncy fashion, what was Hartside Cafe. God, since I've got off the bike, my backside is just frozen. Right, what I might do then, God, Benny, you can't feel the wind now. Wow. Is head off for a cup of coffee. I know, just the spot. Wow, it's way more windy this way. I'm getting a soft tyre, so it feels very splashy. Hey. Must have been gravel. Oh, that felt bizarre, that. Yes, of course, it's the wind hitting the top box, making it jiggle. Two degrees already. I've dropped awfully quick on it. Can't believe how much windy it is.
Where the wind will blow.
So you're towing a car up Hartside. How are my visor doing? Stirring up again. Ah, that's a raw wind up there. Sun's just at the wrong angle, so everything's kind of black and then suddenly appears. If you just want to spin his inside wheels on every bend rolling in that this noisy exhaust. Can you do that on a bike, I'm afraid? Certainly I can't. Oh, I forgot to put my music on. Get to the bottom. And then put the music on, see if that comes through on the microphone. If it does, for my long trip I'll have to ride in the silence, which will be a bit boring. Motorway for 1,000 miles. Looking forward to that though. The backside isn't. Still getting used to this Airhawk seat. It's the strangest thing when you first get on the bike, because it kind of squidges left and right. You've got to have it like, when you feel it on the seat, just with your hand, you think there's like no air in it whatsoever. And you sit on it, there obviously must be plenty of air in it, because it sort of, you sort of feel like you're floating. So if you weren't floating, then obviously there'd be not enough air in, but you can't like feel any pressure points from it. So I think it's doing its job.
slow.